Thank you very much, Naga City Alderman. We also thank our lead office, city engineers.
Pagsik na daing pinapaurog. Magiging marahay na ako, na pangarugan ako, asin mataon ning paglaom, asin inspirasyon sa mga kapwa ko na servidor kan banwaan.
Thank you very much, Naga City Alderman. We also thank our lead office, the city engineers office, headed by
Congratulate na po ang City Planning and Development Office in celebration of the Family Week. Ang The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, Naga Philippines and Naga North States, tama ba? Yaon man po ang Naga City Solo Parents Federation Incorporated. Dakulin ka mong maray kang parada.